So here we are with one more video, and it is about how the land became sacred. So some important question answers are there. There are total 10 question answers. So let us quickly do. So the first question is, what is pilgrimage? A pilgrimage is when people travel to a holy place to worship, pray, or show their devotion to God or a spiritual being. Pilgrimages are a very important part of Indian culture and religion. People of different faiths go on pilgrimages to different holy sites. Next question is, what are sacred sites? So sacred sites are places that are considered holy or spiritually important by people. This can be temple, river, mountains, forest or any natural features where people believe gods, goddesses or spirits live or where important religious events happen. So this is called sacred sites. Now how do places become sacred? Places became sacred when people connect them with gods, saints, or important religious events. Sometimes natural features like river, mountains, or trees are believed to have divine power. Over time, rituals, worship, and pilgrimages make these places holy and respected by the community. Next question is, what are the important pilgrimage sites of Buddhism? Important pilgrimage sites of Buddhism are often places that were visited by the Buddha or where his relics are kept. Among them is the Lumbini, where Buddha was born, the Great Stupa at Sanchi, that is in Madhya Pradesh, Bodh Gaya, Bihar, where he attained enlightenment, Sarnath, where he gave his first sermon. Now, what are Takht in Sikhism? In Sikhism, Takht are seats or center of spiritual authority. For example, the Takht Sri Patna Sahib, the Akal Takht, Takht Sri Keshgarh Sahib. Sikhs aspire to undertake pilgrimages to these places at least once in their lifetime, as they are associated with important Sikh gurus and therefore have special significance. Next is, what are Jain pilgrimage sites? So Jain pilgrimage sites are places associated with the lives of Tirthankars where they attain enlightenment. Example, Mount Abu, Girnar and the Satrunjaya Hill in Saurashtra, Gujarat. These sites are considered sacred and Jain visit them for prayer and spiritual upliftment. How did rulers contribute in making land sacred? So rulers contributed to making land sacred by building temples, stupas, and monuments at important religious sites. These link religion with land, encourage worship, and showed respect for sacred places, strengthening both faith and their authority. How did nature become sacred? People dependent on nature for survival, food, water, and shelter. Mountains, forests, rivers, and animals were seen as life giving. Over time, humans started worshipping them, believing they had divine power which made nature sacred. Next question is, why are specific mountains, rivers, and forests considered divine in different cultures? Many religions and mythologies associate natural features with God, spirit, or sacred energy. These natural features provide essential resources, water, food, shelter, and medicinal plants. Because they sustain human and animal life, communities often revere them as divine or sacred to encourage protection and conservation. Right? Next question is, why land is considered sacred in tribal and folk traditions in India? So, in tribal and folk traditions of India, land is considered sacred because it is seen as a living mother and the home of ancestors, spirits, and deities. People respect and protect it through rituals and nature worship. So, this much. These are the 10 important question answer from the chapter, that is how the land became sacred. So, if you are watching until the end, thank you so much for watching till the end.